Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can merge or blend two photos using Snapseed. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Snapseed application and we're going to choose the photos we want to blend. I'm going to click on this plus icon and for example, I'm going to blend photos from my gallery. So I'm going to open up this folder and I'm going to blend this photo with this one. So I'm gonna open the first photo and then we're going to go to the tools option and scroll down until you find the double exposure. Click on it and click on this icon and add the second photo you want to blend with the first photo. I'm going to blend it with this one. Okay, and then you can click on this icon to select the type of deep blend mode you want to apply to your photo. And I'm going to try it one by one. I think I'm gonna go with this one, guys. Then we can click on the check mark. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to blend or merge two photos using Snapseed. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.